Welcome back, everybody. Yes, I say now we will. All of us, now the Niger people, most of us come from, different part of the country. Some Igbo, some Hausa, some Duduwa, some this, some that. And we are the Biafrans. But the way when we be Biafran people, they take fear. The Northerners, I don't know what I go take, they describe that fear, what would they fear, the kind of fear, what they fear, either the Buhari or the northern people. Because these people, they don't see, if they push you, they push you, they push you back. I mean, the northerners, the Fulani people, they will continue to they push you to the wall until they go even push you to the grave. That is why they know the tactics. That is why they know the relent. That's why they continue pushing people when come from the south. They know see we when we the Biafran people see we no go fit do them anything anyhow what they take do things to us so we no fit. See because we do they fear them. The reason why they talk these things now because of Ohanisi Ndioshi where they talk say them be Ohanisi Ndigbo. When the news they tell us right now say Ohanisi youth disassociate self from lawsuit against PMB. Now, yesterday here, the lawsuit come out. When they tell us, say, then sue Buhari for 50 billion. Not be only the Ndigbo people who sue Buhari, people from Middle Belt today, people from Yoruba land today. But before you know what they happen now, even that yesterday when that news come out, say some Ohanes Ndigbo people there among them when sue President Muhammadu Buhari when on they call. Now see that yesterday evening. Now him, I begin see where they talk see the organizing Igbo people, they don't disassociate themselves from that claim. See, they're not there. Just exactly the same way when some people, when they support Chibuike Amechi, they don't come brag, say, then go dismantle Port Harcourt, then go burn down every government houses or every government properties if then touch Chibuike Amechi because Chibuike Amechi now they are God. Say they no go their life when people go they castigate or want to do something when we make them send Chibuike out from APC. Say they no go allow that. Say all of them must to die if Nyason Wike and his cronies now so them put on those people. Say them be Amechi supporters. After they don't talk this thing finish, Amechi can come back. According to the news, Amechi himself can the debunk him. And he can talk say he don't want fight. Now I can see again when Amechi say now only watching go sit down, they watch. Already don't send them to give them the warning. Make them make that comment. At the end of the day, the same APC people or APC group in Port Harcourt come they deny say those people when go talk that thing when they talk about Amechi say they not be well-known APC members. Now so they put them say they not be APC people. Say na other group of people. Now then they brag for Amechi, but at the end of the Amechi don't come deny it. Just exactly the same way these people. Then they deny, see, then disown that letter. Then disassociate themselves from the suit against Muhammadu Buhari. Even before they even call the case, or before they go to the court, these Igbo lazy people, lazy youth, these Biafran people, these lazy Ohanese Ndigbo people, criminal people, non-entities, they just jump come and say they're not right again. They're not there. Because they won't come carry Igbo presidency. Or they won't favor Buhari. We're gonna know now what they don't talk finish. Like, we don't tell them before. Once they talk finish, then go just call them, wire some money into their account. everybody go begin deny say they're not right again. Case don't die. They say they sue Buhari because Buhari marginalized them. And because the way when Buhari take, they give position to people, not be so our constitution to come. Now the reason why, even E.K. Clark, all of them, they are among people. Ezekum, many professors, they are among people when write the petition against Buhari. But before you know what they happen now, the Ohanese Igbo people that then first jump out, say they're not they involved. But now their name carry the headline. The youth wing of the Igbo Apes Social Cultural Organization, the Ohanese Igbo Youth Council Worldwide, has disassociated itself from the 50 billion lawsuit filed against President Muhammadu Buhari by eminent Southern and Middle Belt leaders. The Igbo Youth Organization said that it took the position against the lawsuit, having observed with dismay that major critical leaders in the Southeast geopolitical zone were not consulted before such action was taken. Now here the swab put now, see, they not consult major critical leaders in the Southeast geopolitical zone. See, now he make them, they withdraw or they deny the lawsuit. The group commended those who filed the suit against the president, noting that it was geared towards ensuring justice and subsistence of principles of federal characters. The decision of the group was contained in a statement signed by the President General of the group, Mazi Okechukwu Issa Gusoro, and the Secretary General, Ukwu Nwabuike. It will be recalled that eminent socio-cultural leaders from Southern and Middle Belt Nigeria had on Monday sued President Muhammadu Buhari for 50 billion over lopsided appointment in security, para-security agencies, and strategy agencies of government. So now so then talk there on say they're no good deal. These people that say they're not there again, say because yes, now so then talk. Now the issue of their Gideon and their this man they call the same Edo State this thing. They tell us now say Buhari side with Victor Gideon to attend any EC meeting. That is NEC meeting. Victor Gideon, they tell us say they don't even bar that man. Tell us say man, he no go be any chairman of anywhere in APC. In fact, then the court they claim say the Victor Gideon not there inside APC again. That's what I thought. But this now, the news they tell us now say the Buhari decided the Gideon. When we say the Gideon wanted to represent, to replace himself. Using self. Say now him will be chairman of the APC since they don't sack Osho Baba. Nigerian President Buhari has announced his support for the Victor Gideon-led fiction of the All Progressive Congress. That is why the country not work today, ladies and gentlemen. Court talk say, according to them, say Gideon not be APC member. Okay? They didn't know say the APC member before because of the infighting inside APC. Court say Gideon, you not be APC member. Since you they carry yourself, won't use yourself to become the leader when nobody appoints you. Now, then they tell us now, say, Buhari, they side the Gideon. When court don't talk, say, You don't see quanta. You don't see wahala one day inside politics. You don't see dirty game before. Politics Nigeria confirmed this via a statement from presidential aide Garba Shehu. He declared via Twitter. The president has received very convincing advice on the position of the law as far as the situation in the party is concerned and has determined that the law is on the side of Victor Gideon as acting national chairman. Well, go back like 2 days ago, go check some of our videos when Funky D, they tell them say, V Gideon, this same Gideon, what did they talk? Now, deputy to Oshomole before. Now, then sack Oshomole. Right. In the actual sense, somebody when supposed to be there, now the deputy, when they're supposed to use, replace Oshomole as acting chairman. Or as their chairman, anyhow when they want time. Now the vice supposed to take over there. Just exactly like when Osibanjo supposed to be Nigerian president. Because na him supposed to be, and na him be the vice or deputy president. Anyhow when you want put on. Till today, they not tell us. They say no, say na Aisha Buhari and Abba Kyari. They say Banjo himself, go talking himself. Only God know where that man dey up to today. So, the thing when they try to talk, say, I don't tell APC people or their NWC, say the person was supposed to be there, now that Victor Gideon, because now him be Oshomole's assistants. Now so the matter supposed to be. And now the side when they are Buhari, their own Buhari, they fall put. Now maybe don't listen to Funky D. So instead of putting Gideon, make you see how on Nigerian people they cause wahala for themselves. How these APC people they cause wahala for themselves inside their APC criminal organization. Then go carry this man, the former governor of Oyo State. Come they claim say now the man supposed to be acting chairman. Now I can say show where the deputy they when be this Gideon. When the other man will come, the former Oyo State governor will come and come to talk say, a man when they tell us say now he is sick, say the man is sick, say he get coronavirus. According to them, later they come back and tell us say the man not get coronavirus. But why una go call that man come in instead of Victor Gideon when supposed to be? Because now him be the deputy to the Oshomole before. And now he's supposed to be the acting chairman. So now the side now when they are Buhari don't fall put. They continue. They say Buhari now don't fall put the side of Victor Gideon to be their acting chairman. Because he will always act in accordance with the law. The president will be attending the virtual meeting Gideon called for tomorrow afternoon. This development will heighten the crisis currently tearing the party apart. More to come. Yes, we don't tell una before say na quanta una go dey get. That one, na that place where we stand. We are not supporting APC. Victor Gideon, Funky D is not supporting you. I'm just telling the truth the way it is supposed to be. It's not that I'm supporting Victor Gideon. I don't know APC people and I don't know PDP people as well. I don't know who they are. So we don't support any political party here. We are neutral platform. Okay, so una don hear wetin Buhari talk, una don hear wetin Gideon wan do, and wetin dem say Gideon go be. Una don hear wetin Amechi people do. Una don hear wetin Amechi talk. Una don hear a lot of things in this segment. So if you get any thing wey you wan talk, either good or bad, come talk am in our platform. So we go continue from there to dey learn together. We are still learning. Everybody they learn, and we keep on learning. So make you not forget to subscribe, and make you not forget to share our videos, and as well, that best sign when they there, please hit the button one time, and you'll be notified anytime we upload. Our love from Canada.